Hello, Professor. This is Samiha Pahar, and we are Group 6, namely with Shweta Khanal and Jerry Yok. So I'll be doing 5 questions, namely question 10. So here you can see I've successfully selected all the repositories and made the connection. So when we go to the designer, it's running this. So I'm running, and this is question number 9. I have selected T file list, Java Flex, and T iterate to flow, and finally I've connected to T file archive. This is the code for question number 9, and these are the jobs, extra, main, and everything. So this is question number 2. This is the code for question number 2. This is for question number 4. This is question number 3. This is the code. And I have selected file input JSON and tmap and output delimited file.
Good day, Professor. My name is Jerry Ewok. Now, in this our project presentation, my part of the presentation covers question 1 and question 11. If you look at the screen very well, you see that question 1 has to do with to create an ETL job to read the data of employee data set, the CSV file. Now, if you look critically, you are going to see employee 2 in the screen. Now, all the adjustments, we did all of them in the component section, and through tmap we're able to link them up, and the output, as you can see, we did the adjustment in the output as well. And if we run it, you are going to see the result of it. Because of time, we have to be very fast. Now if you run, we'll wait for the result to come out. You can see that the result shows that there's 20 rows in the input and 20 in the output. Of course, it shows that the program was run successfully. Now, this will take us to question 11, which is also the other question I'm presenting. Of course, you can see that the program has been run, but first of all, let's see how we did that. If you go to the financial sample data set, because we are trying to see how to create an ETL job to read the data set, or that data set, then we can now sort the data set by using units sold and sales price column, and to store it in MSS QL database table. Now if you look at it, we did all the adjustment as we have done, and we were able to run it, and we got the output, which shows that we have 300 rows, which is actually the same in the output, the input and the output. So this is about the size of the presentation. My other colleagues are able to present the others. Thank you, sir.
Hi, this is Shweta. Let's move on to our solution of question 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry. So, for question number 5, we can see that we have brought together three different data sets and merged it into one final outcome. So, the data set at hand is a CSV file, an XLS file, and a TXT file. So how we connected all through tmap, and we get it out to the file output terminated. We have run this code, this model, and we can see that it's done. So the final result is supposed to have 3 rows because of the join. Okay, so let's move on to question number 6. In question number 6, we can see that we have two different pages from the same Excel sheet. One was order and the other one was product. So again, with the same logic from the question number 5, we have connected these two files through a key. So through a key, and then the output here is given to a database that we have connected, SQL database. So again, let's run. Mm, we can see that that the answer is already being generated. And okay, so the final result has been updated in our database. 7. Now let's go to question number 8. Sorry. Now let's go to question number 7. In question number 7, what we have done is we have a data set active employee, and we have split this into 3. The way we have split this is based on the attribute of salary. So the salary that is lower than 25 to 50,000 is minimum uh, minimum salary. This one is medium salary range, and this is higher salary range. So other than that, what changes we have done is we have created an employee name that concatenates first name and second name. We have also created a gender column uh, that will fill in either male or female based on the other gender column that we had in the original file. We also have created a country attribute which is based on the country code attribute that we had in the original file, and based on that we will fill a name of a country. Other than that, we have also edited the zip code attribute so that the zip code is padded, and we always get a final result in 6 digits. Okay, so with all these changes, we can run this, but there is an error with this program, so we don't have a result for this. So let's move on to next question, and it's question number 8. So what this does is for the financial XLS file, if if the file already exists in the output location, then it will be processed. Otherwise, the process is not continued. So uh, if we run this, the file will be processed and updated in the database that we have connected. I would also like to show you the results of the tables that we just created. So this is for product join, and this is the financial sample answer, that is for question 8. And for question number 5, we can find it in the location that we provided. It's question number 5, join output CSV file. So thank you.